Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete strategic evaluation of Fanvue, exploring whether this hyper-growth subscription platform genuinely represents the absolute future of creator monetization, or if it is simply a smaller, overhyped alternative to industry giants like OnlyFans. Launched with a highly disruptive digital architecture, Fanvue has completely separated itself from the broader marketplace by actively welcoming artificial intelligence creators, virtual avatars, and digital clone personas, while legacy platforms implement aggressive restrictions or outright bans on photorealistic generative media. The absolute crowning achievement of this ecosystem is its native, deep integration of proprietary automation tools that allow creators to effectively build a digital twin of themselves, utilizing advanced voice cloning algorithms and custom text engines to deploy automated 24/7 direct messaging, personalized voice note replies, and even automated interactive voice calls. This unique approach allows high-volume creators and virtual personality managers to effortlessly maintain deep individual intimacy with thousands of global subscribers around the clock, automatically upselling exclusive pay-per-view media and driving massive tipping volume even while the account holder is completely offline. Furthermore, the platform offers highly competitive financial mechanics, matching the standard 80% creator payout split, while offering ultra-fast weekly processing cycles and flexible cryptocurrency payment paths that sidestep traditional banking friction, paired with a functional built-in internal discovery algorithm that gives brand-new profiles a realistic shot at organic exposure. However, scaling your business on this platform demands a cold, highly realistic assessment of intense operational limits and audience traffic realities that can quickly stall your revenue growth. The single most significant structural barrier is the platform's massive audience gap compared to established monopolies, meaning with a smaller overall user base, you cannot simply post content and expect automatic riches. You must treat the venture as a sophisticated digital marketing operation, aggressively funneling outside traffic from external social networks to convert casual viewers into paid subscribers. Additionally, while the automated chat assistants are brilliant for handling baseline conversation volume, relying entirely on the automated artificial intelligence engine can make your brand feel detached or artificial, requiring a highly strategic blend of genuine human interaction to keep your high-spending, top-tier subscribers engaged over long periods. Ultimately, Fanvue is an absolute best-in-class triumph for digital avatar builders, virtual influencer agencies, and modern creators who want to actively leverage scaling automation to maximize their daily workflow efficiency. Analyze your overall traffic generation capabilities, evaluate how much value you place on advanced message automation over massive built-in audience size, and leverage this forward-looking creator sandbox to systematically scale your digital subscription business today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.